Kublai pi baro kani gade ke darshan Meghalaya bat ni priang snobhai pi sya kani ketuk kubor mentah ke janmit. Shwaban pai shiki kubor ke banyak ngenya pet chuai ki mat berkongsan. Kem ki pulit ya arngut ki dekat jong ke KSU la pengat ya ki ha ke polis custody na ke bentah nyosni. Ya lom palat cispa angut ki dekat ke KSU ha sora police station Bandawa ya ke jengpelat no ya arngut ki dekat jongka. Syat ham ke kali gypsy ki pulit hapok maulai police station mentah kesi. Maha musembut Menteri Rangba ya ki seng halang ban om penrhem syuk-syuk ya keding. Bat on penlong ya kata masa cat sukra ba sisen cisnem ha ka henriu ba nyu tarek menta ugnai. Ki kubor ki babnya. Ha ka baydai bat ka jingken no penyap ya arngut ki brio bamdai ki KHASI ha ichamati ki pulit ki lakem ya arngut ki khot ka KSU ha ka mit sngi ningkong. Ha bakren bat ki nong tho kubor u SP ka East KHASI Hills u Rituraj Ravi ula pentip ba ki pulit ki lakem ya arngut ki brio ki badon kti bat kani ke jingja. Ula pentip ru ba lara ya ki baro arngut syayeng bishar bantian bishar ya ki hinen kesngi bat la pengat ya ki ha ke polis custody hadu nyosngi. Ula ong ru ba ki la penjur ke jing pahara ban pentikna bakan ommi syu ke jing kulma.
To the two murders that took place under Shala PS. Last night we made 2 arrests. Both were produced to court today and the court has granted to us 7 days of police custody. 30234 and further sections we will see as the investigation proceeds. One is Shri Shangolang Shati and the other one is Shri Muzadafor Skimbo. Both 26 years old. Investigation is still going on. We are at the very initial stage of investigation, so investigation will go on into this case. Yes, the investigation in this case is at the very initial stage and it will go on. Thank you.
Ki dekat ka KSU ki bahayeng bat ki nong shong shnong ki badan palat shis pa angut ki laya lumlang ha sora police station Bandawa ya ka jing pelat no ya ki arngut ki dekat jongka ki bala syakem ha ki pulit ha ka baydai bat ka jing syak penyap jong arngut ki brio ha ichamati dang shen. Ki arngut ki dekat ka KSU ki day na ka South KHASI Hills District Unit. Ki dekat ka KSU bat ki nong shong shnong ki kwa bandit tur sya pelau ka police station Henry lakhang ya ki da ki pulit. Hadin ka jing ya pen i nia ka bajur u magister bat u subdivisional police officer kin sa ailat ya shipongut ki brio ban rong sya police station bakin thop ya ki nong mikmat na ka KSU bat ki bahayeng hasem. Ki bahayeng bat ka KSU kila pertajam ban penpau ya ka jingbam hun jongki ya ka rai jongki pulit halor balai balakem ya ki arngun. Kawai ka kali gypsy jongki pulit kala syak thang hapok maulai police station. Kene ka jingja kala ja ha kapor arbaje nok pai sngi mentah ka sngi. Layo jingtip ba arngut ki brio ki ba syong da ka skuter ki lakawang da u petrol bom ya ka kali. Ka kali kala ing malumala bar ki pulit ki la penlong ya ka jingtokit halor ka ne ka jingja ka balaja hadin bagi dekat ka KSU kila syakem ha ka baydai bat ka jingsyak penyap ha ichamati. Hapadeng ke jingshong seir ke balami hadin ke jingja ha ichamati u sembut Menteri Rangba uba prestun tinsong ulama ham ting ya ki seng bhalang bakin om penrhem syuk-syuk ya keding da ke jinggan tho bat jing penbana jongki hakilat pathai kubor. Haba kubur bala kem ya arngut ki beriau hadin ke jingsyak penyap jong ki arngut ki bar jelah ha icamati uba prestun ul maham ya ki seng bhalang laki day na shnong ne wat na ki bar jelah ru banang aiding. Ula kentu ya ki seng bhalang ban kiar na ke jing penkulmar bat ka an ke long halor ya baro bat ke sorkar kan le lakakam bakaday ban le.
As I said to you, my request is only this, that any concerned NGOs, they should not add fuel unnecessarily to the incident. Because I think recently I saw even I don't know, I may call it the fake statement made, that they wanted to do this, that, unnecessarily the fuel is added. So I would request all of them, and I warn also, not only request, I warn everybody, don't go beyond the limit of prescribed law, because we are being guided by the law, we are being guided by the rules and regulations.
Sembut Menteri Rangba badai kami ya ketenat kampok yeng ubak Preston Tinsong ula pentikna ba ke jingkhang kadang play ya keseng HNLC ban wan syaka sorkar jela ban ya keren yasung. Ula kentu ya keseng HNLC ban perkat biang ban kinmau ya karai jongki. Ubak Preston ula ong ba kapau syai ba keseng HNLC kamdon ya kata kamuan ban ya keren kumta kaan kan sate yaki. Habakeli syapang ke jing tokit halor ke jing betai ubom IED ula ong ba ke jing tokit benya kadang ya caprang ban lap syuk-syuk ya ki bril ki badan keti bat kene ke jing ja bat ki pulet kila le ya baro ki jing dan kam.
Rethink your decision or recall back your decision. But if they feel that no, it is not necessary, then again, as I said to you, the law has to prevail.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ubak Preston Tinsong ula wak niya ya keseng VPP ha kabaydai bat ke jing penankam ya ke ketien Hindi ha ba ula keno ya ke ni keseng ba kalong ke ba ithamula. Ha ba keren bat kilat pathai kubor henen kesngi ubak Preston ula kentok halor ke apil ke VPP ya ke ketien Hindi. Ula ong bahapo ke ying dorbar tauan ke VPP ke keren dakumway bat syabar pat ke keren dakumway. La aruban ong ba ki nong mikmat ka VPP kila persya ajur ya ke jingkren ulat ke Meghalaya da ke ketien Hindi hapo ying dorbar tauan.
I'm not here to reply on their behalf, but I've seen even the appeal. They have written it in Hindi. I don't know from where did they get this, this professional to draft this Hindi statement or Hindi appeal. So better ask from them. But my personal opinion is, it looks so dramatic because inside the assembly you say something, and outside the assemblies, and then not only that, during the campaign, again you say something else. So I think we leave it to the wisdom of the voters. Let the voters ask this question at the appropriate time.
Naba ke election Lok Sabha kalajan u District Electoral Officer ke Ribhoi u Arpit Upadhyaya ulo ong ba ke district kaladep ban penkreat nadong syadong na kebenta ban penlong ya ke election ke bakhoj ke balat lut bat ke bam ya syak Shiliang. Haba ya keren bat ke Didi News ulo ong ba ha ke ne ke election baladep ke jingwan ki nong tap vote ha Ribhoi ke long kumbah 100% bat ha ke ne ke wat la kemi lenti ba ke jingwan tap vote kan Khambun. Haga baydai bat ka jingke eryong badangshan kabla penjat yiki jaka per haga district Upadhyaya ula penpau balai teli na ki south teli ki blok ki bala syakta kita kata ki jirang ke Bhoi Rembong sning bat ling blok ha ka baka jirang bat ke Bhoi Rembong ki long ki bala kham syakta jur ula ong ba shen ken sayok biang yakilat jingerap bat ke pisa na ka benta ki yeng jongki.
Very free, fair, impartial elections, and the preparations are already on the way, and we are on the track of all activities as per the manuals of Election Commission guidelines. During last elections, our voter percentage was around 68%, which is in line with the state trend, whereby we see during legislative assembly elections we have a very high turnout. But this time we are expecting a much better turnout only for the fact that we have done a lot of sweep activities in pockets where in the past the voting percentage was low in Lok Sabha elections. So we have targeted those areas. We have identified certain district icons, and through various measures, like we have done Nukkad Nataks also, public place, especially on the market days, to create a lot of awareness amongst the people to come out and vote during the Lok Sabha elections. So we are expecting a better turnout this time. With regard to security arrangements, we have done a mapping of critical and vulnerable polling stations, and accordingly necessary security plan has been made. And within that we have identified some sensitive pockets also, realizing the fact that Riboi is also bordering with the Assam, and we have some areas of differences. So special care is being taken, and we will soon be getting additional companies of CAPF. So after that our plan is in place, and we hope that there will be a proper peaceful election at this time.
Ka IIM Shillong kala penlong ya ka program pinkup buram ka bakhatsan ha ka lai bat sau tarik menta ubnai ringkat kisan ngut kinong pulih bela syak pinkup buram da ka kerdan PhD degree kat ba arspa prapuai ngut ki kena pulih na PGP jong usnam arhajar apuar arpusau sau punyongut na PGPEX jong usnam arhajar apulai arpusau bat khat rengut na PGPWE jong usnam arhajar apuar arpusau kila syak penkup buram da ka kerdan MBA degree. Unarayanan Kumar ubadai usyong konor jong ka group corporate board ka Sanmar Group na Chennai bat ka honorary consul general of Greece ha Chennai ulalong ukongsan ha kani kesengi. Haba ajing keren Unarayanan Kumar ula pensyai ba ke India kalong ka badunbok ban kiustet haman kiliang ha ke perthai da ke jing pentrikam baper kum ka digital India ka bala nok senyang man kentiu ya keri.
It has, as the chairman said, one of the highest growth rates. Some of the most brilliant names in our country are the international companies. And you can name them: Microsoft, IBM, Google, Adobe, and I can go on. World Bank, etc. These are people from this country who come from institutions like yourself.
Ka Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Meghalaya ringkat ke Jingyas Nok Tilang bat ke District Early Intervention Center RBSK bat ke Ganesh Das Government Hospital, Shillong mentagasngi kila penlong ya ka program pensapriang jingtip halor ke jingpang Down Syndrome ha DEIC Building Ganesh Das Government Hospital Shillong. Habakren bat kinong pathai kubor i Dr. H. Giri ibadai idkhot jong ka Indian Academy of Pediatrics Meghalaya ilo ong ba ka Indian Academy of Pediatrics kala penkre ya ka program kerpang nakabenta ki kena ki badan ya ka jingpang Down Syndrome bat ki bala dep ru ban pelat ya ka program bathamai nakabenta usnam arhajar arpusau arpusan kenang bakin pensapriang ya ka jing ajing tip ke batikna bat ka bashisha syaka imlang salang. Iloong ru bagi jingpang kum ka Down Syndrome, ka jingduna snam, ka jingduna haka bor perkat, bat kiwei ki dei ki jingpang ki balak ban lap nado bagi dang khelung, bat on la ban ai jingkershan yaki, ban yo ya ka jingim ka babiang.
One of the action plan of our president of 2024 and 2025, they have launched this program of IAP ki baat community ke saath. Okay, so that we can spread the message to all the community, so that we can give very authentic, relevant and reliable information to the community at large on diseases like especially Down syndrome, thalassemia, autism, anemia and obesity, because these are the diseases which can, if we detect right from birth or right from the beginning, we can give them lots of support and they can live a very good life.
Kasenra Jowai hapok ke jingilam u President uba H. Toy, u Chairman ketenat Arts and Culture uba Chandlok Dhar, bat u Secretary uba El Dhar kila penlong ya ke jingilang ringkat kinong pathai kubor ban permenai ya ke tamasa Chat Sukra ke bashisin chisnem ke bansa Longshen. Kani ka jing le niam kan long ha ka henry wat nyau tarik menta ubnai kum kadak ka jing ai buram ya ka mei mariang haswa ban sedang ya ka ayom ben. Habakran syikilat pathai kubor uba eldkhar ulapin pau ba ka phang padeng jong menta usnem kalong ki watip uko ngu ya ki hukum ki adong blai waman iluti isuk haperthai. Kababanjur halor ka jingdan kam ban but ya ki jing hikai jong ki blai khnang ban penlong ya ka jing im ka basuk basan haperthai.
Nên ta cầm là cần tụi mình chẳng giác của là em nằm sửa nên ta có xây từ lăng sen ra một lông và sen ra sửa lông là sen ra sửa lông này tụi kỳ vấn đề cho anh ní để tụi là coi ta sẽ sửa lông cái kia thì em ta làm gì cái ta sửa harus namanya di pengkreatif ya dengan sastra kejajari dong senat yogi kira pengkreatif em ki hirwai kamang le senat dijajajer lagi ki dong senat lagi te uci mentalang hi heni ajwa te uci mentalang heni te waro he krui ne kata kejing chen lagi man ka heni adong pedi yopia kamaman hikan ajwa.
Mentapat nganyepet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sumineng hanong ba shilong. Ka jingshit kalong arpusan point Rio degree Celsius bat ka jingkriat kalong khatsau point lai degree Celsius. Ka jingsngem ka hau kalong san pukandai na ka shispa minstep bat lai pulai na ka shispa janmin. Kandon ka jinghap slap ka ba malu mala bat ka jingtit uperthat hakikat tu ka ni ki jaka. Shwawan poi sya ka bakut jong ka thup kubor nganyepet yang sa shisien ye kimat bakongsan. Kem ki pulit ya arngut ki dekat jong ka KSU la pengat ya ki ha ka polis custody na ka bentah nyosni. Ya lom palat chispa angut ki dekat ka KSU ha Sora Police Station Bandawa ya ka jengpelat no ya arngut ki dekat jong ka. Syat ham ka kali jitsi ki pulit ha pok Maulai Police Station mentah kasi. Maha musembut Menteri Rangba ya kiseng halang ban om penrhem syuk-syuk ya gading. Bat on penlong ya katamasa chat sukra ba shisien chisnem ha ka henriu ba nyu tarik menta ugnai. Te paralok ka tungila poi sya ka bukut jong ka thup kubor jongi menta ka janmit hadu banginde syembyang bat pila syai kasngi kublai pi baro.